All right, Rachel, thank you very much. And we saw some snow flurries already coming down at Ski Sundown, where Rachel is, and in other parts of the state as well.
Got more coming in for the weekend as well. Rachel, tell us about it.
Yeah, we have so much to talk about here in the Weather Center. We're going to start with today's wind and snow showers that are out there. This photo in from Justin. This is in Rocky Hill. He said a large pine tree came down in his backyard on his neighbor's house. So that's unfortunate. We also have a really neat shot of a snow squall near Bridgeport from Logan Giles. You can actually see it looks like a thunderstorm out over water. And I think that we do have enough instability that these are kind of snow squalls and fueled very similar to a summer thunderstorm. So we have these off and on snow showers. In some cases, it's a mix in parts of southern Connecticut. Sorry, I know you got to blink and then you won't miss any of these frames here. There are some heavier bursts of snow within there, so there might be a coating to an inch or so in some spots if it's a really intense burst of snow. So just be careful as you're out driving around. 1 minute you could see the sun, then it's snowing like crazy, and then the sun comes back out again. As we head through the evening tonight, this is slowly going to wind down. This computer model is shutting things down in an hour or so, but looking at the radar, I don't think it's going to be that fast. But by 7 or 8 o'clock, things should at least be tapering off, and then you just have to deal with the wind out there. Now, wind advisories continue until 10 o'clock tonight or midnight, depending on where you live in the state. This may end up getting extended. It's still really windy out there, and I think that the wind is pretty much going to continue tonight. It won't be as high overnight in terms of those gusts, or these are consistent wind speeds, not even those higher gusts. So just know that you're probably going to hear the windows rattling for a while tonight. Winds out of the northwest anywhere between 15 to 30 miles per hour with higher gusts up to 45 miles per hour. So an early snow shower, windy and colder. This wind really pumping in that change in the air mass we've been promising you, setting the stage for that weekend snow. Tomorrow is windy and cold. At least we'll see a lot of sunshine out there. Northwest wind at 10 to 25 with high temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. But it's really going to feel so much cooler than that. And I'm going to go back and take you through this one more time. So Saturday morning, because I know this is what everybody cares about, we actually start the day off sunny, and then clouds quickly begin to roll in. All morning we are dry, so that part has not changed. And I think snow starts to develop between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m., overspreading the state pretty quickly. And it's a nice burst of snow here on the front side of this storm where it could accumulate pretty quickly with temperatures that will be below freezing for most of the state. Along the shoreline, we may be just around that freezing point. And I think accumulating snow will continue to between 7 and midnight for most of the state here. So 7:30, noticing it's still snowing for a lot of the state, maybe a mix coming in here for parts of southeastern Connecticut. Some areas may change over to a bit of rain or drizzle before this all comes to an end. But look, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, it's all over with, and the sun is out by Sunday morning. So in terms of snow potential right now, we're thinking a lot of the state gets about 2 to 4 inches of snow. 1 to 3 might be a little bit lower along the Connecticut shoreline, and there could be some higher amounts up in northwestern Connecticut where there could be a 5 or maybe a 6-inch amount. But I think a lot of folks end up getting around 2 or 3 inches of snow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Breezy clearing on Sunday and a stretch of sunny days, but with highs in the 20s and 30s, guys.
All right, Rachel, thank you very much. Well, he was